Greetings and welcome to our channel, Come Wheelin' with John and Christy. In today's video, we are camping at our first state park in Florida, Topsail Hill Preserve State Park. Let's get started. Roll that intro. Park closes at 6:30 p.m. today. We don't have a choice. There's one lane.
Wow, there is.
It's okay.
Hi, we're half hour early.
Yeah, can you pull forward also, maybe on that gravel, and then come on in?
Oh, back in the parking lot up there?
Please.
On the gravel. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Yes.
We made our way safely to our campsite, Site 77, a pull-through. Look at our view. Here at Topsail, they do have a day use area, $6 per vehicle. For RV campsites, the cost is $42 per night plus tax, plus a non-refundable $6.70 reservation fee and a $7 nightly utility fee, which includes water, electricity, cable connection, and sewer. Tent campsites are $24 per night plus tax, plus a non-refundable $6.70 reservation fee. Utility fees do not apply for tent camping. Here at Topsail, they also have bungalow rentals, cabin rentals, watercraft rentals, and bike rentals. They also have cart rentals. Topsail offers 22 tent campsites, 156 RV sites, 16 bungalows, and 16 cabins. There is an option for everyone. The park offers access to a 1,600-acre preserve where an adventure of wildlife and exploration awaits. The beautiful white quartz dunes are responsible for a rare coastal ecosystem of freshwater dune lakes. You can take the tram and then cross the boardwalk to the beautiful Santa Rosa Beach here at Topsail. 3 miles of beautiful beach is waiting for us. Come on, let's go! Here we are at Topsail! So glad we're here! Definitely a must stop. We hope you are enjoying our video so far. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the waves and a beautiful sunset. Topsail Hill Preserve is named for a sand dune which stands nearly 25 feet above sea level. This dune resembles a ship's topsail. Evidence has been found to indicate that Native Americans used this area for fishing, hunting, and camping. In the late 1800s to the mid-1900s, workers from the Quarters Turpentine Village turpentined old-growth longleaf pines in forests that are now part of the Topsail Hill Preserve. Scars on the trees can be seen on many living trees in the park.
World War II stuff.
During World War II, the western portion of the preserve was used as a munitions testing range for developing the first missiles in the United States. Iron and rebar tracks were laid down to allow trucks to travel across the soft sand. Visitors can still see these tracks, especially along the hiking trail south of Morris Lake. Thank you all so much for watching. We are getting ready for an epic, we hope, epic sunset. Dropping pine cones and leaves.
He's up there rummaging around.
Yeah. Little baby squirrel. If you have enjoyed our video content, we would love for you to give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave us a comment. Have you been to Topsail Hill Preserve before? We can't wait to go back again. We wanted to give a big thank thank you to our new subscribers this week. Thank you so much. We appreciate all of you. Safe travels and hope to see you on the road one day. We are driving through Point Washington State Forest, another forest, on our way to, what's the city name?
Seaside.
Seaside Food Trucks. We are so excited about that.